Hi friends! Today I will show you my Unicorn Gamebook, and I made this just for you guys so you can watch my videos and like, subscribe and share. So let's start. Unicorn. Here is an egg, so I will open this egg. This is kind of messy, but that's okay. Ooh. Here we go, and let's put it again. Oh, the hair got ripped off a little, but that's okay. Now, we will dress up our unicorn. So, let's try this dress first. Okay, I can move to the back. Here we go. That's pretty nice. Now let's start with these ones. Come on, it only rips off. Carefully with this. Come on, it only rips off. You know what? It's okay. It's okay. And wait, does that fit? Well, maybe I'll fix this later. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna fix this later. Now, let's go swimming with our unicorn. Oh, and what's this? Hop, 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 hop. Wow! Whee! Okay. Now, time to eat. Because our unicorn is very hungry and didn't eat. So let's give her some food. Yum, 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 yum. Now, we'll start with the hamburger. Yum, 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 yum. She liked the boba. Now, time to go to sleep because it's now nighttime. Let me just open this. No. Wait. It's kind of hard. Whee! Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Because it was really fun for me as well, and I hope it was fun for you. So bye bye friends.